This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating the minimal page. Doctype HTML, head meta viewport, and a linked CSS file. Next, insert a nav element and add your brand/logo anchor on the left. Immediately after, create an unordered list for links so structure is clear to browsers and screen readers. Once done, assign classes or ID to the nav and list for styling. This first actionable setup ensures your markup is semantic and ready for styling and interaction. Now you style and make the navbar responsive. Use Flexbox to align the brand and links horizontally and set gap, padding, and background for contrast. Add a hamburger button hidden on wide screens and toggle it with a class. Use media queries to switch layout at desired breakpoints. Make sure to include accessible focus and area attributes. Once the responsive rules and transitions are applied, test resizing and keyboard navigation to confirm predictable behavior. To finish, add a small script that toggles a mobile menu class when the hamburger is clicked and close the menu on outside clicks or escape. Make sure you set area expanded and area controls so assistive tech reads state correctly. Manage focus to move into the menu when opened. Once implemented, test links and transitions, then minify CSS/JS for production. Troubleshooting tip. If styles don't apply, clear cache and verify class names and media query break.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.